Jai Shri Ram. Allopanishad, Allah Upanishad. You must read Satyartha Prakash, the magnum opus of Swami Dayananda Saraswati, Light of Truth. It's available in Telugu, English, Hindi. Please go to the nearest Arya Samaj and buy a copy of Satyartha Prakash, Light of Truth. That will make you understand how mistaken we are about so many things pertaining to God and religion. So this is a book that will completely open up your mind and you will understand. And you will fearlessly question also. So in this book, page number 720, 721, a Muslim person is saying, have you read the whole of Atharva Veda? Please refer to Allopanishad there. It is there in plain words. And Asmallam ille mitra varuna Allah Rasul. So Muhammad Akbarasya Allo Allam. So the Muslim gentleman is claiming that Muhammad is mentioned, peace be upon him, and this is proof that the Muslim faith has its origin in the Vedas. So Swami Dayananda refutes this very clearly. Of course, what Swami Dayananda says as an answer is, there is no such thing as Allopanishad anywhere in the Atharva Veda. It is your own imagination, and it's not in the Atharva Veda nor in the commentary called the Gopada Brahmana or in any of the Shakhas. Swami Dayananda writes that this must have been written during the reign of Akbar. A person who knew a little Sanskrit and Arabic must have written this, because there are Arabic words Asma, Asmallam Mille, and Sanskrit words Mitra and Varuna, and the meaning is altogether artificial, unsound, and opposed to the teachings of Vedas. And the construction of words and sentences is completely ungrammatical. So then Swami Dayananda, of course, goes on to criticize other fake Upanishads constructed by other people, that is including Hindus, you see. So now I'll just read out the Allopanishad so that you can have a good laugh. Asmallam ille mitra varuna divyani dhatte illalle varuno raja punarudruhu haya mitro illam illalle illam varuno mitras tejas kam hotaramindro hotaramindra mahasunindraha allo jeshtam shreshtam paramam purnam brahmanam allam allo rasul muhammadara kabarasya allo allam adalla bhukamekam alla buka nikhatakam allo yajnena huta hutva alla surya chandra sarva nakshatraha alla rushinam sarva divyam indraya purvam maya paramantariksha Allah prudhivya antariksham vishwarupam illam kavara illam illalleti illallah om Allah illallah anna diswarupaya arya varnashyama hum hrim janan pashun siddhan jalacharan adrushtam kuru fat asura samharinim hum hrim allo rasul muhammad kavarasya allo allam illalleti illallah ityallopanishad samapta. Some tantric words like kurkuru fat, all these have been included. And the last line is very interesting. Asura samharinim, I think that is a feminine term addressing a feminine deity. So this fellow has used a feminine term for Allah. Asura samharinim hum hrim allo rasul muhammad kabarasya Kabar means grave, isn't it? Muhammad kabarasya allo, allam illalleti, illallah. Wonderful. I hope you enjoyed listening to this great Allopanishad. అక్బర్ గాడు తయారు చేయించినట్టున్నాడు. ఇలాగనమాట. ఈ విధంగా కొంతమంది వాదిస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో ఈ విషయం తెలుసుకోండి. సత్యార్థ ప్రకాష్ ఖచ్చితంగా జీవితంలో ఒక్కసారి కాదు, చాలాసార్లు చదివితేనే కానీ మీకు క్లారిటీ రాదు. అసలు ధర్మం, సనాతన ధర్మం అంటే ఏమిటి అర్థం కావాలంటే సత్యార్థ ప్రకాష్ చదవాల్సిందే కంపల్సరీ. జై శ్రీరామ్.